Welcome back to Character Elimination. Since Team Seashore lost, one of our contestants has to go to the Elimination Center. First off, Batman gets the prize. The prize is a ticket to see Ant-Man in theaters.
Yay! Thank you so much for the ticket to see Ant-Man in theaters.
Now it's time for the elimination votes. I have 5 Sprite bottles, and if you don't get one, you are eliminated.
No. Why didn't I get a bottle of her Sprite?
Dora, you are probably eliminated for peeing and pooping in the ice cream. So, goodbye. You are going to return back to the Dora the Explorer universe.
The 10th challenge is to have a donut eating contest. You will all have to share the donuts together. The challenge starts now.
Yum 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 yum. The donuts taste so good, especially since the frosting of the donuts matches the same color as myself.
Oh my god, Millie from Team Umizumi, you just ate all of the donuts. That was really bad that you did that. You should face elimination for this.
Just shut up, Bob Belcher from Bob's Burgers. I ate all of the donuts because I was really hungry, and also that the frosting matches the same color as myself.
Millie from Team Umizumi. How dare you tell Bob Belcher from Bob's Burgers to shut up? You should have not ate the donuts all for yourself. Now you made our team lost.
Our team would have won if you had shared the donuts together, so we all could have a chance to eat the donuts, and that way we would have won the challenge.
I agree with you. Bob Belcher from Bob's Burgers, Spider-Man, and the Lorax. Millie from Team Umizumi is facing her elimination for what she did.
Since Team Sunday lost, and it's all because of you, Millie from Team Umizumi, for eating all of the donuts, you are required to hold up this sign.
This is no fun. I hate holding up this sign.
Please vote for who should get the prize and who should be eliminated next. Leave your answer in the comments. Voting ends on August 5th, 2015. Please vote before it's too late.